Welcome to Learner's Nest, where little minds learn big things. Learn, grow, shine. Get ready for a big animal adventure today.
Push the heavy iron gate. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Step inside the sunny zoo to take a little peek. Who is resting on the rock? Name so big and grand. A sleepy, friendly lion, king of all the land. Row! The tall giraffe tiptoed down the dirt path. Look up way up high. A long-necked friendly giraffe reaching for the sky. Munching cozy green leaves up inside the tree. Munch, crunch, munch. He winks down at me. Swing, swing, swinging fast on the jungle vines. Little cheeky monkeys making silly face signs. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, sticking out their tongue. Giggly, wiggly monkey fun for everyone. By the quiet blue pond, a baby elephant stands, sucking water with its trunk, the sweetest in the lands. Slurp, slurp, lift it up, give it a little crunch. A cool water splash from head to toe. The sliding penguin lists behind the icy glass, standing on the snow. Waddling little penguins all in a row. One goes sliding down the ice, sleek and super fast. Whoosh, splish splash, what a chilly blast!